Hi, my name is Jeffrey Smith, and I want to share some principles that were discovered both by modern physics and a long time ago by ancient Vedic science. Both realize that the observer affects the observed. Both realize that the most powerful level of creation is an underlying field that gives rise to all of creation. But ancient Vedic science has also identified this underlying field as a field of consciousness. Most importantly, that it's accessible to human consciousness. Now let's put the two together. Imagine the power of an observer affecting the observed if the observer is also accessing this powerful field at the same time. I think the power could be stunning. There are probably many ways to do this. I believe I have discovered one. And I'm sharing this in a forthcoming book, Claiming Your Magic: How to Use Quantum Consciousness to Transform, Heal, and Awaken Your Magnificence. For this book, I decided to do a little experiment to see if the impact of quantum consciousness could be measured on brainwave activity. So we took subjects and put EEG leads on, and the moment that I applied quantum consciousness, the brainwaves changed, even if the other person was down the hall in another room, unaware of when I started or stopped. Furthermore, the improvement in brain activity was dramatic and rare. I'll be sharing some of this outcome at a 70th International Conference on Ayurveda for Perfect Health. That's September 27th and 28th in the India Community Center in Milpitas, California. I hope to see you there and share more about the links between quantum physics, ancient Vedic science, and practical ways to improve our lives.